Okay, so the idea is this, that the user will put the website link here, and we are going to take that website link here on this string. Then we are going to turn that website link, this one, into a URI object, which is a class that can contain certain kinds of data, and this is the class that you have to use inside as the data type inside your implicit intent. All right, now exactly what URI is something that is going to take time, so I'm not going to explain it here. Rather, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you a YouTube link in the description below, and there you will find a really good video of some guy on the internet, and he explained it really well on about what URI are. Okay, what URI, unified resource identifier, is, what is an URL, and what is an URN. He explained it very well. For now, in this video, just know that this is a class that can hold certain data, and this kind of data is the data that we should use inside our implicit intents. All right, so we turn that inside this URI object. All right, we put the data, we change the data inside this into this URI. Now, how did we do that? We used a method of URI class called parse. You know, parse is the method that is used to convert a certain kind of data to other kind of data. Right, you have a string, you have an integer, you want to turn it into a string. Then what you do? Parse integer, parse string, right? So that's what you do. All right, okay, so this is the method that we use to do that. Now, this is something that I'm going to be talking about within a few seconds, don't worry. Now, let's come back to this. Now, the next thing that you have to do is that you have to start a intent of implicit intent. So I took an intent object, which is then which has a name of implicit intent. We gave it new, then intent, and inside this constructor here, we have to give the action and the data on which the action should be performed. All right, this is the action and this is the data. Now, these actions, the actions that you are going to use here, they are predefined. They are going to be predefined actions, meaning that developers of Android, they have created some predefined actions that the operating system can understand, and you use those predefined actions here. Now, let me just show you the alternative options that we had. See, action send, action, okay, let me just write it even better. Serious, right now you have to come to here. Anyway, see, these are the predefined actions that are there, and there are a lot of them. All right, so you can do a lot of actions using all of these actions. All right, now in this case, we used an action called action view, which is used to view something. All right, okay, so in our case, we want to view a website, so that's why we used action view. And there is this other reason why we use this action view. I'll be explaining that within a few seconds. See, when I explain this, now this is it's time to explain this one right now. You see, you could do it this way. You could give the data here, a certain kind of data, and then you could give different kind of actions here, and those different kind of actions will perform different kind of actions, right? But there is this another way, which is when as you have just seen, that there are lots and lots and lots of actions, and it's kind of difficult to remember all of them. So there is a smarter or much easier way